Pashupati Advani is with us. Pashupati, thanks very much for waiting. How would you rate the budget?
Well, I actually like the budget because I think that given the 5 constraints that the finance minister mentioned in his speech, he's done a remarkable job of trying to balance everyone out. What he has done is, according to me, opened up all the doors and said, now India, you have to do your part. Government, you have to do your part. States, you have to do your part. And if we work together, India can be the best country in the world. And what he's done is he's opened, he's pushed everything, that all the impediments out of the way. He's taken away, let's say, for example, the place of establishment issue for FIIs. He's pushed away GAR for 2 years, saying, okay, I'm bringing in GST. Everything, the roadmap is there and the consistency is there. And this is what basically foreign investors have been looking for. This is what domestic investors and people who are planning to make capital expenditure have been looking for. So hopefully it will start. Now, it will take 2 or 3 years to deliver, but we'll begin to see some minor changes, and that's all he needs to basically make everything work. And I think he's increased service tax to 14%. That's simply because I think when GST starts, it should be probably between 16 and 18% once it gets going. So he's got to take the rates up there. Going back to Ramesh's comment about ITC, obviously cigarettes get beaten up in every budget, and this is one of them. And as he mentioned, the elasticity of cigarettes is probably what's dragging the market today. Otherwise, we'd be a lot happier.
The government owns a significant chunk of ITC. I wonder why they didn't sell their stock first and then increase excise duties, because they'll be able to sell at a much lower price now. Maybe unless, of course, people change their mind and bid the stock higher. It's happened before, can happen again. Pashupati, but there was large expectation that MAT on SEZs, for example, could be done away with, could be lowered. I don't think that has happened. In terms of actual things to boost Make in India infrastructure, is there enough?
Well, it's not enough. It's a question of, I've opened the door. Now you start implementing, you tell me what the problems are, I'll change it in time. I think the issue is that, he can't just say, the government can't just shut down and say we don't want to collect any more taxes. That doesn't work. So what he's saying is that, you show now it's corporate India and India Inc. and the foreigners who are looking at investing in India, it's their turn to step up to the plate saying, yes, we're serious about doing things. Whether they want to do it in an SEZ or they want to do it in a port or they want to do it outside the SEZ, time will tell, and then I'm presuming that this government will then make it easier for them to do so. Because one of the things that the FM mentioned in the speech is he's very conscious of the degree of difficulty of doing business in India, and he's trying to improve that number radically. I mean, we are actually probably at the wrong end of the scale for that statistic globally.
Pashupati, thanks very much. Quick comments. Appreciate you joining in.